Howdy, howdy. We're loading up, going to another spot. We don't need those stinking Rams. We don't need those stinking Rams. Sorry folks, I tried to make a bunch of videos. I tried, but this heat, it's like 107 right now. I think the temp is actually 101. We got a little wind blowing, so it feels like 107, but I just don't want to put a video out there where, you know, I'm not cowboy, I'm not jazzed up, I'm not like, let's bring it, you know. But tomorrow morning we're going to be at a new location I've never been. Sounds like a bunch of fun. Crush some cars. I promise I got a whole fresh can of yellow spray paint in the truck. We're going to do some shout outs. We're going to get this thing chained down. I hope the driver likes it. I think I'm good on both sides though. That looks good to me. I need to come over here and drop this pin. Take it off. It looks good. The front looks good, but the back seems like it's over this way. Y'all be careful and be kind. We loading up. We don't need no stinking Rams. Thank ya.